In this video, we will look at how to plot a scatter plot in Python. So I'm writing this script. I've commented the first line as scatter plot, and I have a list of values. The first list of values called values 1, and the second list of values called values 2. So this is paired data in the sense the first value in values 1 goes with the first value in values 2. So 2 and 3, 5 and 6, 8 and 4, 12 and 8, 4, 6, 9, 5, 6, 15, 10, 9. So these are the pairs. So how do you draw a scatter plot? Well, we'll have to import matplotlib.iplot as plt and then plt dot scatter values 1 comma values 2. It's as simple as that. plt dot show. So let's run this one by one. There's a scatter plot. So this is the first pair 2, 3. This is 4, 6. This is 5, 6, 8, 4. This is 6, 15, and so on. So that's how you do scatter plots.